Hi everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. For today's intro video for the new September release, we have a beer mug die. You get 3 pieces here. You get the base, the top, and the foam. The base measures 2 1/8 inch by 2 1/8 inch. The top measures 1.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches. The foam measures 2 by 1 1/8 inches. I use my Kat Scrappiness wire snips to take my dies apart, and I did cut it out with off-white cardstock. I don't know if you can see that. And for the beer, I use the autumn glitter paper, and there is grooves in it, which is fun. And for the foam, I used white cardstock. There's also some grooves in here as well, which is really fun. And then I'm gonna layer vellum on top of that, so that will be perfect. Okay, and here is my card using the new beer mug die. Thank you for joining me today and have a wonderful day.